In this video, I'm going to show you how to initialize or calibrate your FIZ motors. So I have just mounted these motors. I've got one on my focus, one on my zoom. I could have one on my iris if I wanted to. But now I need to initialize them. And what that's going to do is it's going to, just like any lens calibration, it's going to run both the focus and the zoom to both hard stops so that CC Lab knows exactly where it is and can pull sharp focus for you. So I'm going to jump right in here to CC Lab. This is on my main screen. Here in the bottom, where it shows your FIZ. The F and Z are in green. That means I've got a motor connected. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's calibrated. So I'm going to tap on that because I know it needs to be calibrated or initialized. And I hit Initialize FIZ, and you can watch it just run through that process, hitting both end stops, and it takes 10-15 seconds, and you get the message that focus calibration is successful, zoom calibration is successful. So now we're ready to go, and that's how you initialize your FIZ motor.